Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Today is Wednesday, 5th of March. And the weather for today is 2, 2 degrees. 2 degrees today, everyone. Time check is 4:09. Ayan, 2 degrees. Parang ano lang, Tagaytay ang feg. Or, kasi always cloudy and then foggy. Yeah. And then, later, after ng work ko, pag uwi ko, sunny day naman yan. Super init na. Papainit na ng papainit. Ayan lang everyone. See you later. Let's do first the 15 minutes walk and one bus. Bye at the moment. Everyone. Walang update or walang ganap. Walang ganap sa buong araw. Tignan ko yung sinampay ko. Ay, yung nilabhan ko kung tuyo na, and then later maglaba ulit ako nung iba pa. Nilabhan ko kasi nung Monday is mga itim. So mamaya yung mga decolor or decolor. Okay, bye at the moment. See you later everyone. Happy days to everyone always, and God bless. Bye. Kain tayo everyone. Guys, Unat.
Ukay unat.
Oo, si Unat. Nagsusupply sa amin yun ng ano. Dyan my train station. Everyone going home. Pwede pot. Kain tayo lang while watching tango. Hindi. Nagsaging ka na nga eh. Takot magtae si nanay everyone. Ayaw na tuloy kumain. Nilutuan siya ng apo niya ng siniga. Ay, may susop. Oh, diba? Good afternoon, everyone. Time check, 15:45. So, pasok tayo, everyone. For the afternoon till evening. And then, we'll see you later after 2 trains. 4 hours lang tayo mag-work. Split. So, that's it everyone. Mag-pedestrian lane ako dyan. Maganda yung araw everyone. Pero malamig. Hindi ako, kaya lang kaya. Not too much. Degrees is 13 degrees. Ayun. So, yan lang everyone. Yan. Marami ng tumutubong bulaklak dito. Ang ganda. Tapos, that's it, everyone. See you later. Bye at the moment. Ayan, I am here in Beach Lane. Train approaching. Algate. Ay, thank God. My last bus. Ay, train, sorry. Oh, walang laman. Kasi kakadaan lang ng isa, hindi ko lang daan. Ayan, everyone. See you later. So, yeah. It's time check. 4:06 na. 4:40.
This train is ready to depart. Please stand clear of the doors.
Coming. See you at Algate, everyone. Or at my white side. Bye at the moment. Why it's raining? Bye, Johnny. Bye. Santa Claus. Shut up. Oh, shut up.
No, actually, that's
Pag-editing pa ako nito eh. Good night. Good night, everyone. We're done in 4 hours. Grabe, ang daming basura. Diba? Anong oras na? Time check. 20:04. Grabe, diba? Grabe. Busy day today. Ang daming kalat ng mga mababait na bata. At yun lang, everyone. See you tomorrow again. Bye at the moment. Ha? Bye. Ciao. Si Bikas going to Central London. Good evening, everyone. Kain tayo, everyone. Dinner tayo, everyone. Good night, God bless, and I love you.